The intersection between the precise and the meticulous, while working with the material, created a design that combines two different design languages melding in harmony and creating a feeling of warmth and comfort in the house. One part of the house, which includes the bedrooms, was designed as a closed structure. To create intimacy, controlled openings were opened, and heavier materials were used. This part is built of plastered bricks, above them, a concrete cornice in Brutalist style and steel windows framed with a rusted steel frame. The second is the open part of the house, containing the living area, and the kitchen was designed with openness to the view and the patio. This area is built from a floating roof and its entire envelope is built from floor-to-ceiling windows. All the windows in the house are made of steel with a rust finish. The patio in the center separates the two parts of the house and sets the garden in the center. By designing a mild, continuous slope in the lot, the building itself conforms to the topography. Its link to the landscape is highlighted by the way the lower part of the house blends with the topographic slopes. The swimming pool and the studio are located in the lower part of the lot. The studio roof was designed to function as a green roof with plants that blend in with the surroundings. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.